Hey everyone! Welcome to day one of our 5-day speaking challenge. I'm so glad you're here because this challenge is going to help you sound more natural, speak more clearly, and boost your English fluency. So, what are we going to do? Over the next 5 days, we're going to practice a powerful technique called shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating, at the same time, as naturally as possible. It's one of the most effective ways to improve your pronunciation and rhythm in English. When you say the words out loud, you train your mouth muscles to move the same way native speakers do. And when you repeat short phrases or chunks, you don't just learn words, you learn how English really sounds in daily conversation. This helps you speak more confidently and fluently. All right. Let's warm up with common phrases you can use every day. Try to repeat them after me, shadow me as closely as you can. Did you sleep well last night? 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 What are your plans for today? 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 It's a beautiful day, isn't it? 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 Long time no see. How have you been? 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 Nice to meet you. 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 Have a great day. 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 See you later. 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 What's for breakfast? 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 Could you please pass me the salt? 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 Let's tidy up the living room. 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 I'll do the dishes after dinner. 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 The kids are watching TV. 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 I need to finish some work. 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 Can you help me in the kitchen? 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 Let's go for a walk after lunch. 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 Sorry, I didn't catch that. 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 No worries, it's okay. 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 Take your time. 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 Don't worry about it. 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 That makes sense. 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 I'm not sure. 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 I'll think about it. 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 That's a good point. 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 I'll be right back. 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 That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. Excellent work. If you repeated those phrases out loud, you've already trained your pronunciation and rhythm today. Remember, the more you repeat, the faster your mouth and brain connect English naturally. So, keep shadowing these phrases again and again, and come back tomorrow for day 2 of our speaking challenge. You're improving every time you speak.